Yeah, welcome to free online coaching. This is Praveen Kumar Pandey, your online tutor, and in today's class, we will see some more questions of Newton's law, and these questions are is important. Okay, you should solve it. Okay, so let's start. Uh, let's start. This is a 2 kg block. This is 2 kg block. It is kept on a frictionless surface. Okay, and here is wall. This is string. Here this is a pulley, and here a force F is applied. Okay, and this 2 kg block is moving in this direction with an acceleration of 1 meter per second square. Okay, with acceleration of 1 meter per second square. Okay guys, so find here a force F is applied. Okay, find F. Okay, what is given here? String. Find F. It is given here that string and pulley is massless, no friction between the surface, no friction. It is given no friction, and yeah, it is string is massless, string and pulley is massless, and there is no friction. You have to find F. So it is a simple question. You should not uh, bothered about how to solve it. So so let me solve it for you. Listen, here acceleration. What is the acceleration of this? It is given. It Acceleration of this is given. We have to find what is the force on it. Just I have to find it. Okay, so I should draw the free body diagram of string, free body diagram of this pulley. Okay, if you look at this pulley here, this is a T. How? Why? You should know it. Why means who has applied. Okay, who has applied. You should know it. Who has applied this force? Okay, this is T1 and this is F. What I get from here? F is equal to T1. Why? You should know it. And T is equal to 2F. Okay, why? You should know it. Then what can I do? No, okay, so T is equal to 2 into 1. Here 1 is acceleration. Okay, why? Hint, think about Newton's law. Okay, so T is equal to 2 Newton. Okay, so F is equal to 1 Newton. Okay, if you think by this equation. Okay, so this is a super easy question. It is, you should not bother about it. Okay, so now okay, this is just string and this is a card which is accelerating with acceleration A. This is acceleration A. This is a car which is accelerating with acceleration A, and this is a bob of mass m kg. Okay, and it inclined to this angle theta by this angle theta. Okay, find theta. Okay guys, what you have to do, you have to find theta. This car is this is a car which is accelerating with an acceleration a, and through this car and a bob of mass m is hanging, and due to acceleration this inclined at an angle theta. Guys, this is the very important question, because when you hang a thing above within a accelerated bus, accelerated car, accelerated van, then when you see it from outside, then it will hang in this manner. Okay, it will hang in this manner. Okay, so you have to find what is the angle theta. You have to find what is the angle theta. Second is find tension. Find tension in string. Okay, what is the assumption? String is massless. It is given massless string. Okay, massless string. So okay, so I should, okay, first thing here, if this car is accelerating with a, what is the acceleration of this point? This will be in this direction, acceleration of a. What is the acceleration of this in a? Can you tell me why? How you know? Can you? If acceleration of this car is a, then this bob would be a. Can you prove it with geometry? Prove it with geometry. Okay guys, you have to prove it. Can you prove it with geometry? If acceleration of this car is a, then bob will be a. Then acceleration of this bob will be a. Can you prove it with geometry? And if it is in this position, if it is in this stationary position, okay, if this bob is in this stationary position, you have to prove that acceleration this a, then this would be a. Okay, you have to prove it with the help of geometry. Okay, so, and now I am going to explain you some simple thing. Okay, okay, listen. If this is accelerating a, here is a person. What is the acceleration of this person? Is a. Okay, what is the acceleration of this point? Is a. Okay, similar manner, if something is hanging here, what should be acceleration of this? Is a. Acceleration of this is a. Acceleration of this is a. Okay, if acceleration of this is a, acceleration of this point is a, then acceleration of this point will be a, acceleration of this point will be a. Okay guys, and if and the question is here, okay guys, okay, so this again, so if acceleration of this is a, then this bob must be a. Okay, and you can prove it with geometry. This is your job to prove it. I am just telling you the simple, if this is moving with acceleration a, this point would also move by acceleration a. Okay, so this bob will also move by acceleration. Think about it yourself. Okay, if I try to explain these things too much, then it become rubbish. So think about it. You should think about it. Okay, so this would be, this angle is theta, guys, and here it must be inclined, because if it has acceleration is in this direction, then there must be a force is in this direction. Okay, so this must be inclined. Think, so you should think why inclined. Okay, think why inclined. You should think about it. Okay, this is theta, so here. Okay, so just come to this. So we had three fundamental steps. First is relating the acceleration. Second is drawing free body diagram. and third is write down the equation. Now it is given we had find acceleration. If this acceleration of this bob is a, then this must be a. So first step is completed. Now we have to draw figure diagram. So we have to draw. So if it may look slightly difficult from previous question, but logically it is simple because you have not to do anything. If the acceleration this will be a, then this will be a. So here this angle will be theta t. Here this will be t sin theta, this will be t cos theta, guys. So here acceleration is in this direction is t is a. Okay, here this is the mg. Okay, now this bob is not moving in this direction. There is no acceleration in this vertical direction. Okay, there is no acceleration in vertical direction. So t cos theta should be equal to mg. Okay, and t sin theta should be equal to ma. Okay, you should know it, you should feel comfortable in writing this equation. So tan theta should be equal to a by g. So acceleration should be equal to g. Okay. So what is the theta? Theta should be tan inverse a by g. Okay, so it is a simple question. And okay, theta is tan by g, and if I know find theta, then I will find cos theta. So find cos theta by find tension by yourself. Okay, tension by yourself you should find tension in string by yourself. It is simple one. Okay, it is simple one. Okay guys, so it may seem slightly difficult, but it is simple one. Now we are going to solve some another questions which are simple, and let's solve it. Okay, it is clear, so let's solve it. Okay, yeah, this is 1 kg, this is 1 kg. Okay, this both block are 1 kg 1 kg. You have to find. Okay, so what is the question here? Well, string and spring and pulley, string and pulley both are massless, and the string is inextensible string. Okay, find tension T in string. First question. Second is find acceleration of A, B. Okay, acceleration of block A and block B. Okay guys, so we have to find these two questions. We have to answer these two questions. Listen, this such question of Newton's law is very simple. Okay, it is not going to come in iit-jee advanced. These are the simple questions, but to learn the concept, to understand, to able to solve the questions, you should know it. You should know how to solve, how to analyze the things. Okay, so guys, whatever question is, in overall mechanics, you have to do three things. First, acceleration. Okay, you should know how acceleration of connected body is related. Okay, acceleration relation. Second is drawing free body diagram. And third is writing down equation. Okay guys, you should follow these three concepts: acceleration relationship, drawing free body diagram. Okay, and these are the very important. People mm, correctly draw the free body diagram, but they make mistake in this. Okay, so I would concentrate on this. Okay, this question is looking slightly simple, but no, it is conceptual question and you should know it how to solve it. Okay, so what is the fundamental way, what is the basic principle of finding acceleration relationship is my string is length of my string is not going to change. Okay, length of my string is not going to change. Okay guys, so let's suppose from here to here this length is x1, and here to here this is again, if this is x1 this would be nearly x1. Let's suppose this is okay, let's see x2, this is x2, and here to here this is x3. So what is the length? X1 plus x2 plus x3. Okay guys, now let's suppose this n has moved by amount x. So is this somewhere here, it is somewhere here. Okay, if this has moved, then this also moved by amount x, so this block is somewhere here, this block A which is somewhere here, and my new system will be like this. Okay guys, so I have to find this length. If you see this carefully, this length is x1, this is x. Here think about the geometry, rectangular geometry. If this is x, this must be x. So what will be this length? X1 minus x. Okay, you should think it, what should be this length? If this is x, this is x, then parallel to it, a rectangle is forming parallel lines. So this is x, this will be x, this will be x, so this will be x1 minus x. Okay, and if you look at this carefully, this again become x2 minus x. Okay guys, so it is simple. Let's suppose this has come down by amount y, this has come down by amount y. Okay, so this is here, this is here, so this length will become x3 plus y. This become let's suppose initial length is L, so this become L. If you look at carefully, this guy will become L minus x2x plus y is equal to L. So 2x is equal to y. This means if here, if this block A has traveled by amount x, then this will travel 2x, because this travel y and y is equal to 2x. Okay, if this travel by x, then this travel by 2x. So here it is very simple to establish the relation. Okay guys, and now if you are familiar with differentiation, then 2 d2x by dt2, this should be equal to d2y by dt2. Okay, these are the simple, this is very simple, you should do it by yourself. Okay, and listen, who had traveled x? This block A. Who had traveled x? This block A had traveled. So this is the acceleration of A, this is the acceleration of A, and this is the acceleration of A, and this is, if you see it carefully, this become acceleration of B. Okay, this is acceleration of B, this is acceleration of B. So should I write acceleration of B? If you see carefully, 2 acceleration of A is equal to acceleration of B. Okay, I'm just writing down to drag your concentration on this. Okay, what it mean? This means that acceleration of A. Why? Because who had travel x? A had travel. Who had travel y? B had travel. Okay, so 2 into acceleration of A is equal to acceleration of B. Okay, guys. Now I had write down the uh, I have write down the equations. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Acceleration. Now we are going to draw free body diagram. We are going to draw free body diagram. So drawing free body diagram in such question is very simple. Okay, drawing free body diagram in such question is very simple, and you should draw it actually. Okay, guys. So let me draw. Yeah, let me draw free body diagram. So this is TB. Okay, okay, here you can see it here. This is TB, this is G, this is B. Okay, if you see at this point, this is A, this is G, this is N. You shouldn't feel comfortable about it, and here you should be careful. This is tension, this is TA. Okay, now we are going to draw figure diagram of pulley. This is the pulley. So this is T1, this is T2, this is TA. Okay, let me write down. This pulley is A, this pulley, name of this pulley is 1, name of this pulley is 2. Okay. So pulley 1, okay, T. Why? You should know why this is so. Okay, and here this is my third pulley. Tension on this here. This is T2, this is TB. Okay, so guys, you know what can I write? TA is equal to T1 plus T2. Why? Hint, think about mass of pulley. Think about mass of pulley. Okay, mass of pulley. Yeah, this is nice question. If TA is equal to T1 plus T2, then why T1 is equal to TA plus T2? This pulley is not accelerating, because it has acceleration, but it has acceleration. What is the good thing about it? This pulley has acceleration. But TA is equal to T1 plus T2. Question is why? Think about mass of pulley. Okay, guys. Now T1 is equal to T2. Why? Here you should understand, you should just remember some point, due to rotation, okay, you should understand, you should memorize. Yeah, you should keep in mind to this, that T1 should be equal to T2 if pulley is massless. Why this is so? This is due to rotation. Okay, so same here, this is T2 and this is TB. T2 is equal to TB. Okay, why? You should think about rotation of pulley rotation. Okay, rotation of pulley. T2 is equal to TB. Okay, guys. Okay, so what can I write? TA is equal to 2T2, TA is equal to 2T2, and I can write TA is equal to 2TB. Okay, T is equal to 2TB. So now, okay. So I had drawn the free body diagram, and now we have enough information. in equation. Now we should solve some more equation. Write down some more equation. These are the equation. Now TA is equal to 1 into acceleration of A, okay, and G minus TB, this should be equal to 1 into acceleration of B. Okay guys, if you see at this carefully, what can I write? 2TB is equal to acceleration of A, and G minus TB, this should be equal to 2 into acceleration of A. 2 into acceleration of A. Okay guys, so if you look at this carefully, what it become? G minus A by 2 is equal to 2 into acceleration of A. Okay, so if you look at this carefully, G is equal to 5 by 2 acceleration of A. So what is the acceleration of A? 2G by 5. You know, guys, nobody write such a lengthy equation, but I have to write because I don't know how brilliant you are. I do not want to skip the steps. Okay, so acceleration of A is equal to 2G by 5. Acceleration of A is equal to 2G by 5. So it is just very simple question, and yeah, all of these steps you should not learn how to write, how to solve this equation. Okay, I just do it because you are class 10 pass. Okay, so I had find acceleration of A. Is equal to 2G by 5. Acceleration of B is equal to 4G by 5. Okay, and TA equal to 2G by 5. Okay, so tension, find tension in string. So here TA is equal to, now TB is equal to, if you look at this carefully, TA is equal to 2TB. So TB is equal to G by 5. TB is equal to G by 5. So all of these things are very simple. You should do it by yourself. Okay guys, so here most important thing is you should know is stabilizing this equation. Okay, writing this equation, stabilizing this equation. 2 acceleration of A is equal to acceleration of B. Okay, okay guys, so I think this is enough for today class, and we will see you in next class. And guys, if you like us, then subscribe our channel, and very soon we will launch a website, and we also going to make a mechanism so that we can help you anytime. You know, you will able to ask question and you will get replied in text or videos. Okay guys, and for it you have to register for this course for the help. Okay, in future I will give you more detail about it in future lectures. Okay, right now we are working on it to create a website, and there are so many other stuffs. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you like us, then subscribe our channel. Thank you.